Good afternoon to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission, established under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission and the chair of Panel B, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under Law Number 252 of the year 2023. That law concerns the external evaluation of judges and prosecutors and amends some normative acts. Hearing is also being conducted under the Commission's Rules of Organization and Functioning. The subject of today's hearing is Ghenadie Liulca, a sitting judge of the Northern Court of Appeals. Judge Liulca, good morning. I'm joined by two other panel members. To my right is Commission Member Willem Brouwer, and to my left is Commission Member Yuri Gatskin. The panel is also assisted by members of its secretariat. And Judge, you may also notice some members of the public or representatives of the media in the room. Photographer will take pictures only briefly at the start of the session. The hearing is being conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask everyone to speak slowly and clearly. Only one person should speak at a time. The proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available within 3 days online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Judge Liulca. The Commission initiated its evaluation on the 7th of November last year by notifying the judge by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 252. The judge returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on November 27th of last year. On the 12th of December, in accordance with Article 37, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's rules, Judge Liulca was informed that his evaluation had been randomly assigned to Panel B. He was advised of his right to submit a reasoned request for recusal. As of this date, no request has been submitted. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses information it obtains for its relevance and reliability. Over the months March through May, the Commission asked Judge Liulca 3 rounds of questions to clarify certain matters in its evaluation. He provided additional answers and information in response. On the 30th of May of this year, we notified Judge Liulca that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about his compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. We also invited him to attend today's hearing. Judge Liulca did not request access to the evaluation materials. According to Article 39, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's evaluation rules, if the panel, based on the information collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about a subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided by the subject and announce that, absent its receipt of new information, the panel will adopt an evaluation report containing a proposal for promotion. Judge Liulca, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you have provided to the Commission's prior requests for information?
Honorable Commission, I have no additions or corrections to make.
And are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the information you otherwise provided in the 5-year declaration and the ethics questionnaire that you returned on November 27th last year, are they still accurate as of today?
Yes.
Judge Liulca, would you like to make any statement before we conclude the hearing? Is there anything you'd like to say?
I would like to thank the Commission. I would like to thank the entire team that participated in the evaluation of judges in vetting of justice. This is a process which requires a huge amount of work. That's a lot of hard work done for the process of reforming the justice sector. I would also like to express my gratitude to all of those who, after I was notified, were there for me and supported me in times that were not easy at all. And I would also now like to wish the best of luck to all of my colleagues who participate in this process, and just the best of luck.
Judge, thank you for your comments and also for your answers to the various questions the Commission posed as part of its evaluation. That brings us to the end of today's hearing. After the hearing, the panel will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law 252. The panel will strive to complete its report as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after the public hearing. Today's hearing is now closed. Good day to everyone.
Thank you, and have a good day too.